Good morning everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the compressed natural gas, biogas. So compressing the natural gas under pressure of 1000 atmosphere in a steel container. It consists of a methane, mainly a methane composition it has. The composition of CNG is methane 88.5, ethane 5.5, propane 3.7, butane 1.8 and pentane 0.5. Some of the percentage here. So properties. CNG is generally a cheapest and cleanest, which is having a least environmentally impacting alternative fuel. Vehicles powered by CNG produce less carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon emission. So it is a very important point to note this. That's why CNG is now widely used by the public domain. It is less expensive than petrol and diesel. It is also a very uh, important one. The ignition temperature of CNG is about 550 degrees centigrade. It requires more air for ignition. So the uses of CNGs are, it is a substitute for petrol and diesel in automobile industries. So, what do you mean by biogas? Biogas is a renewable, a combustible gas produced with when organic waste like animal manure, food scraps, and sewages, etc., decomposes naturally in the absence of oxygen. It acts as a clean, sustainable energy resource while naturally recycling biodegradable materials. Is a type of biofuel that is naturally produced from the decomposition of organic waste. Already we discussed here that absence of oxygen. When organic matter such as food scraps, we told now, break down in an anaerobic environment. It means there won't be any, if there is no oxygen like that, that's the environment. Anaerobic. They release a blend of gases, which in turn called as biogas. It is a renewable energy sources. It acts as a clean, sustainable energy source while naturally recycling biodegradable materials. So its properties. It is about 20% lighter than air. It means the density is about 1.2 mgs per liter. Its ignition temperature is about 650 to 750 range 650 to 750 degrees centigrade. The range is. The calorific value is 5000 kcal. It's a clean fuel. Okay. No residue and smoke produced here generally. Non-polluting. That's very important. And also it is very important to know that it is economical. That's why people starts using about this. So the uses of this are, it's a domestic fuel generally we know very well, and for street lighting it's basic things how it is used in public you know welfare. For generating of electricity, if compressed, it can replace compressed natural gas for use in vehicles. So it's primarily contain generally 55 to 70 percentage of methane, 30 to 45 percentage of carbon dioxide, and trace amounts of hydrogen sulfide as preferred. And its medium calorific value 18 to 22 mg per m cube, approximately 4500 to 5000 kcal. That's why we say, which produces a self sustaining blue flame. Okay. So its environment usage is, it considers a carbon neutral energy resource sources, as CO2 emitting during combustion is offset by the carbon, the organic biomass absorbed while growing. Okay, so these are some of the core characteristics of biogas, and its primary uses: cooking, electricity generation, organic fertilizer also it is using, transportation fuel, we know very well, when scrubbed and compressed into bio CNG. Okay, it acts as a direct substitute for fossil fuels in vehicles. Instead of fossil fuels, less pollution, that's important. Okay, instead of fossil fuels. Okay, and organic fertilizer, the nutrient rich byproduct left over the biogas production process is an excellent organic fertilizer that conditioning the soil, which in turn useful for uh, agri. Okay, so thank you so much for discussing about biogas.